Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is classical cinematic rock guitar riff. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So what are you talking about today? I'll show you. I composed something for you guys. Probably you will love it. And so on. So I'm gonna show you a classical sweep picking riff plus the really cinematic type of power chords which you can use in any kind of dramatic cinematic rock guitar tune. So let's get started. Okay, let's first check the chords in general. We have let me quickly switch off the delay. So we have a medium distorted guitar. Now first chord is a B minor. Okay, B minor. Next chord is an F sharp. Wait, we are in B flat minor, so it's a G flat major chord. Okay, so this one here. Next chord is a D flat major chord. To A flat major chord, to A diminished chord. Okay, or like this. You can also view it as a F with an A in the bass. So we have B minor to G flat major to D flat major to A flat major and F with the A in the bass. Second part, B flat minor, and again G flat major. Then comes E flat minor to F. So Bonobo will play the chords like this. Now what you can do to get this classical vibe is you play the chords with sweep picking. So how do you do that? Even the chords look simple, the sweep picking thing is not really simple. You play, let's put so play this one here. So you play one after each other and you do all downs with the downstroke and palm muted. And with the chord, see, you follow the chord which you're pressing. And if you switch on the delay again, you get this doubling effect. Okay? That's the hard part. So you go downstroke, 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 upstroke, upstroke, upstroke. So what you can also do to make it like if you play it twice, second time you make the upper part more or less ring. So you can also put this as a variation, but first you really get used to this movement. Okay, then we go to G flat major. Here we take the upper part of the chord. So we do the same thing like this. when we add the 9 here, here you can do the same thing again. You make more lettering effect when you get in the higher notes. Okay, then we go to D flat major. Here we take a D flat, this one here, D flat, add 9 or sus2. This goes like this. Again, the chord is simple to grab like this, but when you do it as a sweep arpeggio, see, you follow the notes. Okay, so ended up with A flat major. Same figure as before on the D flat major. Now comes the hardest part. This one is the diminished one here. We hear on the 7, 5, 4, 7, 8. And now the fingering is really essential. Ring finger, middle finger, index, ring, pinky. And if you want to finish the figure, you have to slide down here, otherwise you're too late to start again. So then you start again from the beginning. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, so that's the whole thing. Good. Second turn starts the same. Twice, goes to the G flat. Now we're going to the E flat minor. Now we do this here. This is an E flat minor 9 arpeggio. So 6, 4, 3, 4, 6. And to F major. Same figure as before on the majors, but now we have a add a flat 9 on a 9. Okay, so let's do the whole thing. Together with the backing track. It's going to be awesome. A really cool effect to play arpeggios in a different way, and the palm muting is quite essential. I mean, I took quite a hard distortion now, but of course you can take a softer one. Let's try this one here. Let me quickly put the delay on tempo. Okay, so let's do with a softer distortion. Also sounds cool. So that's a way of doing different types of rock riffs in a classical way. You make arpeggio style and still with palm muted effect, and you do it with sweep picking, and it's still in a tempo which is not really too fast. Okay, now if you want to add really cinematic rock chords, let me take this sound here. Let me switch off the delay first. So you just add the regular power chords. That's okay. So B flat to G flat to D flat to A flat, F with A in the bass. So now we have E flat to F power chord. Now this sounds a little bit too old-fashioned and not really cinematic. Now if you want to get this really drop D and fulminant sound, first of all you add the delay again. Let me quickly put it on tempo. And now you're going to double up the power chords. So you have a bar here in the first fret over 2 and the bar here in the on the D and G string on the third. Then you play 4 strings, and this gives a really massive dropped type sound. Here do the same method again. And the rest remains the same. Now, on the second part, of course, the B flat is again the same. The G sharp and the G flat is the same, and the E flat is again the. Let's see what effect we have on this here. And so on. You can make combinations, or you just do 2 guitars. That's really up to you, but that's a really interesting way to sound your rock guitar riffs. More interesting, more modern, and in this case more classical and more cinematic. Yo guys, that was classical cinematic rock guitar riff. If you want to practice it with my track, plus the tabs is available in the HPCrazy guitar community. Please join them with a free member account in order to download the stuff you need, a premium member account. Please support my channel with your subscription, sharing the information, you know, all this stuff, buying a t-shirt, buying my music, make a premium membership, and feed me and Dr. Pink, because we are always so hungry. Yo, there's going to be another tutorial here when you're going to go on the soloing, you know, this kind of classical type cinematic soloing. I keep it on another tutorial, so please come back for the second tutorial. It's going to come the next few weeks. And in the meanwhile, me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye.